everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix Instagram theme create with AI not showing. So first thing we're gonna do is open the App Store, and from here we're gonna update the application. So we're gonna search for Instagram. Alright, so if there's an update option here, then you have to click it to update the application, but if not, then we're going to uninstall and reinstall the application. So let's delete that and then go back to App Store to reinstall the application. So we're just going to search for Instagram and then download or install the application again. So we'll just wait for it to load. It'll take just few minutes or seconds. And there you go. So just tap on open to open the application. So let's tap on that. And from here, go to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. And then just scroll down and look for help, this one. And just tap on report a problem. And then tap on report problem without shaking. Then just continue, and in here you just have to type in your concern, which is the create with AI option not showing. So I'm typing here, hi Instagram team, my Instagram account is not showing the create with AI. And please solve this issue as soon as possible. And that's it. And then we're just gonna tap on send to submit our report. It'll take just a few seconds, so just wait. Alright, so it's already reported, and that's it. That should help the issue being resolved. And please take note that since the feature is in testing or gradual release, it might take a bit different for each user or region. And if it's not available in your account, it may be worth waiting until Instagram fully rolls it out. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!